Hello everyone! And now since we know how to read Korean fully, the next step will be to learn some basic Korean phrases. First of all, you have to know that Korean has formal and informal ways of speech. So typically you will have two ways of saying hello. The first one is formal. 안녕하세요. It's hello formally. So now let's look at how to say goodbye. There are two ways of saying goodbye. The first one, 안녕히 가세요. Goodbye when you are leaving, literally, please stay well. The second one is 안녕히 가세요. Goodbye when the other person is leaving, literally, please leave well. And there is one word for saying hi and bye. 안녕, and it's an informal one. You know, it reminds me of Italian ciao. So now let's learn how to thank someone. There are two words for saying that. 고맙다 is an infinitive. We will learn later that every Korean verb, adjective, and passive verb, they end in ta. If you see a verb like that, then it means it's an infinitive. Let's try to conjugate it. 고마워, it's informal low way of speech. 고마워요, it's informal high. 고맙습니다, formal high. I bet you are really confused about that. But don't worry, we will learn about conjugation in our future videos. So I recommend you at this stage of your learning, since you're a very beginner, just try to memorize these words, and that will help you a lot in future. So informal low, 고마워, you use to people who are younger than you, or people the same age with you, but you're very, very close with them. For example, your friends, your family, if you're close with them. 고마워요, informal hi, used with people with whom you want to be a little bit more polite. For example, you see someone the same age with you, but he is or she is a total stranger for you, but you have to be polite to someone, right? You cannot be rude. So you can say 고마워요. And formal hi, 고맙습니다, you use to people who are much older than you. For example, teachers, grandparents, if you are not close with them. It can also be your boss, someone who has a higher job than you, higher rank of job than you. Or for example, you see a stranger that he or she is much older than you, so you have to use formal hi way of speech. The second way of saying thank you is 감사하다. It's infinitive. Informal low will be 감사해, informal high 감사해요, formal high 감사합니다. How to say yes and no? Yes and no are of course divided into formal and informal again. Yes formally will be 네, 예. Informal 어. You can use whatever variant you like. No formally will be 아니요. No informally will be 아니. Let's learn some more basic Korean phrases. 실례합니다, excuse me. 잠시만요, just a moment. 잠깐만요, wait a little. 제발, please. 천만에요, you are welcome. 별 말씀을요, you are welcome. There are two ways in Korean of saying you are welcome. But I feel like 천만에요 is used more in books and in writing, whereas 별 말씀을요 is more used in speech. 문제가 없어요, no problem. 미안해, 죄송합니다, sorry. As you can see, 미안해 is conjugated here into informal low, and 죄송합니다 is conjugated into formal high. If you want to conjugate 미안해 into formal high, as for now, you don't have to worry about that, because we will learn conjugation in next videos. 잘 자요, good night, literally sleep well. 오래간만이에요, long time no see. 안 돼요, no, strongly, or it doesn't work. 만나서 반갑습니다, formally hi, and informal hi will be 만나서 반가워요, nice to meet you. let's learn how to ask some basic questions. 어떻게 지냈어요? How are you? 잘 지냈어요. I'm good. 나빠요. I'm not good. 너는 어때요? How about you? 이름이 뭐예요? What is your name? 저는 your name 입니다. I am. 제 이름은 your name 입니다. My name is. 영어를 잘해요? Can you speak English? 네, 잘해요. Yes, I can. 아니요, 못해요. No, I can't. 어디에서 왔어요? Where are you from? The name of the country. 에서 왔어요. I am from. Since I am from Ukraine, so I would say 우크라이나에서 왔어요. I am from Ukraine. Let's learn how to say some other countries. Argentina, Argentina, 호주, Australia, Canada, Canada, Indonesia, Indonesia, 칠레, Chile, 중국, China, Colombia, Colombia, Spain, Spain, 프랑스, France, 독일, Germany, 미국, the USA, 브라질, Brazil, 일본, Japan, 태국, Thailand. If you don't see your country here in this list, then please let me know in the comment section below. I will leave a comment and I will just type your country name. I just couldn't put all of the countries here because the space was so small, so sorry for that. Now let's learn some more basic Korean phrases. 괜찮아요. I'm fine, it is okay. I bet you heard this word. 천천히 말해주세요. Please speak slowly. 다시 한 번 말해주세요. Please say it again once more. And now let's look at some really useful phrase. So you put some noun, and then after a noun, you put 주세요. It will mean please give me that noun. For example, 물 주세요. Please give me water. pen 주세요. Please give me pen. Now let's look at some dialect between Andy and Julia. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요? 저는 줄리아예요. 너는 어때요? 제 이름은 앤디예요. 어디에서 왔어요? 스페인에서 왔어요. 중국에서 왔어요? 네. 연애를 잘해요? 아니요. 못해요. 만나서 반가워요. 안녕히 계세요. 만나서 반가워요. 안녕히 가세요. Did you understand what they were saying? Write me in comments the translation of this dialogue, and I'll check it out and correct if something is wrong. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to like this video and leave some comments. Click on the bell so that you would not miss out on any of my new videos. Also, I hope you enjoyed this video. 안녕!